Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm really excited to share this video with you because today you'll be seeing the whole process of my latest realistic portrait drawing. From building the base layers to developing the depth, values, and final details, everything is shown step by step. This is a pure process video, so feel free to observe, pause, or rewatch any part to learn at your own pace. Alright, let's get started.
Every single day. After work I'm tired, but you make it all okay. Sitting by the counter, watching from afar, wondering if you notice me, who you really are. Heart skips a beat each time you catch my eye. Think about you constantly, I don't know why. Is there someone waiting, someone in your life? But I can't help imagining, what if I could be alive? Dreaming of the day we laughed the night away. Would you hold my hand and tell me what you'd say? Got my heart racing, don't know what to do. Thinking maybe one day I could be with you. Today I made my mind up, gonna let it show. If I see you there again, I'm gonna let you know that I saw you walking, not alone this time. She was smiling at you and my world fell out of line. Watching as you talked, she held your hand so tight. Everything I hoped for just slipped out of sight. All the daydreams faded, vanished with a sigh. Guess I'll never tell you, just let this love go by. Dreaming of the day we laughed the night away. Well, now it's just a thought that slowly fades away. My heart still races, but it's out of tune. Guess I'll never get the chance to be with you. In the cafe corner, I still sit alone, with a smile on my face that hides the truth I've known. Maybe someday I'll find another chance to shine, but today I'll just wish you happiness with her in mind. The night breaks and the darkness melts away. When I walk with you, the footsteps are light. The noise of the city disappears into the distance. The world will change if we are together. We hold hands and the wind caresses our cheeks. Your smile is so dazzling, the time stops. The scenery I see with you is a special dream. If we are together, today will also shine. Go back to your room together. Let's drink a warm cafe latte. Just spending time next to you, my heart is relieved. Your voice is a pleasant melody, the gentleness that echoes in the quiet night. A vision of the future reflected in the depths of your eyes. Everything is bright.